हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम्स टू चार्ट ऑफ द डे। सो आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए वी हैव सेलेक्टेड टू स्टॉक्स। वन इज सारदा एनर्जी एंड मिनरल्स एंड सेकंड one is Kaynes Technology India. So we'll see how the chart of Sarda Energy and Minerals looks like. So if you look at the chart, after hitting its recent high, especially on 18th of July, that is 299, the stock has witnessed selling pressure. और ये जो सेलिंग प्रेशर बना, इट हैज एक्चुअली जो रिसेंट लो बनाया, इट वाज अराउंड 245, सो विच इज अराउंड 18%। सो ये जो करेक्शन हुआ इसमें 299 से 245 में इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट 18%। एंड आफ्टर दैट द स्टॉक हैज गॉट सपोर्ट अराउंड इट्स 50 DMA। ये जो आप लोग को रेड कलर का लाइन दिख रहा है, दैट इज 50 DMA। एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी हैव सीन द रिकवरी इन द स्टॉक and the price action has actually increased and the stock has tried to move upside. आज जो स्टॉक ने फॉर्मेशन किया, इट हैज फॉर्म्ड ए बुलिश कैंडल विद हायर हाई एंड हायर लो प्राइस स्ट्रक्चर एंड इट हैज आल्सो रिक्लेम्ड इट्स 21 DMA और इट हैज एक्चुअली बाउंस बैक फ्रॉम इट्स 21 DMA with above average volume. If you look at the EPS strength of the stock, it is 74 and the buyer demand is B+. Now we'll talk about the next stock, that is Kaynes Technology India. If you look at the chart itself, the stock is trending in the bullish trend only. There is no sign of weakness so far. And after hitting its recent high, especially on 29th of July, we have seen a correction happens in this stock as well. And the stock has corrected around 14% from that high of 29th July. But the beauty of the stock is it has got support around its 21 DMA. And आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि 1 week तक stock was hovering around its 21 DMA only. And after that we have seen that आज का जो price action हुआ, the stock has bounced back from that level of 21 DMA. And if you look at the volume part, it is also with above average volume. So if you look at the EPS strength of the stock, the EPS strength is 99 and the buyer demand is A-, which is actually good. If you look at the numbers of fund holdings, the number of holdings has increased 17.37% compared to last quarter.